Hi everybody, welcome to Storytime with Fairfield County Library. My name is Messina and I am so excited for Storytime today. Before we get started, I want to remind you that we are doing hybrid Storytimes, which means on top of Storytimes online here, we are also doing them in person at the library. The in-person version of these Storytimes for the kids age group are at 4 p.m. on Wednesdays. Okay, now that that's out of the way, are you guys ready for story time? Fall is almost here. This week we are going to read some books to help us get ready for the change of season. Okay, our first book is The Leaf Thief by Alice Heming, illustrated by Nicola Slater, and published by Sourcebooks Jabberwocky. What a wonderful time of year! I am snug in my nest with a belly full of hazelnuts, and the sun is shining through my leafy canopy. Such lovely colors. Red, gold, orange, red, gold, orange, red, gold. Wait a minute! One of my leaves is... missing. Where is it? It's not in here. It's not under here. Bird! What is the matter? Someone stole my leaf. Your leaf? Yes, one of my leaves is missing. My leaf looked a lot like that one, the one Mouse has. That is not your leaf, Squirrel. But how can you be sure? Mouse, did you steal my leaf? No, this is my boat. See, Squirrel, it is perfectly normal to lose a leaf or two at this time of year, okay? Okay, thanks, Bird. See you tomorrow. The next morning, oh no, this is bad, Bird. What is the matter this time? More leaves have been stolen. Excuse me, Woodpecker, are those my leaves? No, they are my leaves, Squirrel. I spent ages collecting them. No one is taking your leaves, Squirrel. This happened last year, remember? Maybe. Why don't you go back to your nest and try to relax? Okay, thanks, Bird. Try to relax. Breathe in and out. Just relax. The following morning, this is a disaster. Bird, where are you, Bird? I'm here, Squirrel. Wait a minute. Are you the leaf thief? No, Squirrel, I am not the leaf thief. I will show you the leaf thief. Where are they? Because I've got a few things I'd like to say to them. Look around you. The leaf thief is everywhere. It shakes the trees, it rustles the leaves, it takes your hat. Do you see the leaf thief, squirrel? Who's the leaf thief? The only thief is the wind. This happens every year in the autumn. Every year. The leaves change colors and the wind blows them away. They'll grow back again in the spring. Now, I'm going home. Please don't disturb me again. It was just the wind. The leaves change color and the wind blows them away. Of course, no leaf thief at all. Silly me. I'm going to sleep well tonight. Bird, someone has stolen the grass. All right, that was The Leaf Thief. What did you guys think? Okay, our next book is Goodbye Summer, Hello Autumn by Kenard Pak, published by Henry Holt and Company. Hello, late summer morning. Hello, trees. Hello. Now that the cool winds have come, we love how our branches sway in the sun. Hello, playful foxes and singing blue jays. Hello. We are busy looking for food. Some of us are heading south for our winter homes. Hello, walking stick and butterflies. Hello. We're surprised you saw us. We try our best to blend in, and we'll do the same in warmer places. Hello, beavers. Hello, chipmunks. Hello. We have no time to play because we're making cozy nests and dens. It will be cold soon, and we want to get ready. Hello, flowers. Hello. We are leaning into the sun, enjoying the last summer rays. Some of us, like asters and phlox, are late bloomers. We make the end of the season even more colorful. Hello, thunder. Hello. You can hear my low rumble from far away. My clouds loom over the open fields and quiet hills. Hello, breezy wind. Hello. I love to whoosh drizzle and leaves through the misty streets. Hello, chill in the air. Hello, it's time to bring out your thick sweaters and scarves. Hello, puddle. Hello, now that the wind has come, I often get covered with fallen leaves. Hello, leaves. Hello. We are changing our colors. Some of us turn red or brown, while others turn gold or yellow. The dogwood leaves turn purple. Hello, big orange sun. Hello, I am setting earlier and earlier now that summer is coming to an end, but I will see you again tomorrow. Goodbye, summer. Hello, autumn. That was Goodbye Summer, Hello Autumn. What did you think? All right, everyone, thank you for coming to story time. Now, just because we're done reading does not mean we have to be done with story time. If you come down to the library this week, you can pick up Storytime Kit, which is a fun-filled activity kit that goes with the books we read today. Each kit comes with a coloring sheet, a craft, and a tasty recipe that you can make with your grown-ups. This week, you guys are making a tissue paper leaf. We have a bunch of different shapes, but this is the one I made. To get a kit, you need to come to the Fairfield County Library and look for some crates in the children's section. Now we have 2 crates, one for Monday story times and one for Wednesdays. So you guys want to make sure to grab the right kits or you could end up with something completely different. The kits for this story time are in the children's crate. They are the blue ones. We have new kits every week, so make sure to check back in every time we do a new story time. Okay, everybody, thank you for joining me for story time. Once again, my name is Miss Nina, and I hope to see you in the library this week to pick up a story time kit. It's time to say goodbye, but I look forward to seeing you all next time. Bye!